little friends. Welcome to the Xekids.
Let's dive underwater, let's dive into the sea. Let's look deep inside, what do you see? You see a crab, you see a turtle, you see a jellyfish, you see an octopus. You see a shark, you see a dolphin, you see a stingray, you see a starfish. You see a penguin, you see an eel, you see a whale, you see a seal. Let's dive underwater, let's dive into the sea. Let's look deep inside, it's wonderful to see.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, share and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.